Hello everyone, I'm here with Dr. DeSilva, very excited to learn about how to optimize your health and getting a lot of tips and tricks from him.
First of all, thank you very much for the invitation. It's a pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to be here.
What would I do to really optimize my health?
You have to do a little bit of everything, and that's what I tell my patients. Most patients think that, oh, I'm just going to go to the gym and I'm going to be fine. At 50, there are some basic things you need to do because, and I think the most important thing for you to do at 50 is to optimize your hormones. There's no question that at age 50, your hormones are out of balance because you've started a downward trend, whether it's estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, thyroid, they're all out of whack. So the first thing I believe that you need to do is to optimize your hormones. And then of course, there's your diet, there's your exercise, your hydration, your sleep. All of those other pieces that actually fit in with the hormones is what you need to do.
All of those other things can't really help that much unless I balance my hormones.
Well, I think they work together. I don't think there's any one exclusive thing that you need to do. Whether you're 50, whether you're 60 like myself, or whether you're 30. You know, again, what I see in my practice is that people want this magic pill. And I hate to tell people this, but it doesn't exist. There are supplements, there are things that you can do, but it's a program, it's a plan, it's a lifestyle that you have to incorporate in order to be healthy. One of the big things you're going to see when the hormones are off is, and this is one of the things I see most frequently, is lack of energy. So your energy starts to go down, your memory, your focus, your concentration, your skin, the integrity of your skin changes because when you lose that testosterone, when you lose that estrogen, you're going to get these changes in your skin. You know, sleep is such a big thing, and we can do a whole program just on sleep and the importance of sleep. But sleep becomes another issue, and one of the things that you can take is something called micronized progesterone, and it's wonderful for sleep. You know, magnesium, a little bit of melatonin, a little bit of GABA, a little bit of 5-HTP, but one of the big things that you can do is something like sleep. So hot flashes, memory, mood, focus, concentration, libido. If you don't feel like doing something and the other partner does, it's a problem. Of course, dryness, dryness all over your body, whether it be your skin and in other places, also becomes an issue. So all of those are just some of the basic pieces that we need to fix.
I'm constantly looking for ways to get that vigor back, and so I'm really looking forward to being able to appreciate some of the benefits of getting my hormones balanced.